Is it? Okay. All right, so this is the water lily leaf that Frank made a mold from. No backing, just the rubber. And I poured it yesterday, and well, let's see if it's level. Pretty level that way. Pretty level that way, level enough. Okay, I'm gonna take it out. So I poured it yesterday. It's the first time I poured it, and like I said, there's no backing, and I wanted to raise the side up just a little bit more. So I put this material under the edge of it, and I have it sitting on a bubble. So give me a second, let me get the bubble, let me get this flipped over. There's my bubble. Oop. Oh, look how easy it's coming off. Okay. I think I should have done it different. I got really thick stuff here, but it'll be all right. Anyhow, just wanted to show y'all how we did that. So it's got the little bit of a depth in here. It's not real deep. It's shallow enough for like your bugs and your frogs and all that stuff to get into, and little birds. So, all right, thank you.